So let's talk about Bitcoin today, guys. Bitcoin is still trending down. I don't see much volume here, so don't worry about Bitcoin. My prediction for Bitcoin is gonna be $10,000 soon. Okay, now let's talk about the real money. XYO, guys. Volume spike, buyer power. Share is traded the private list right here. On January 2nd, we bought this coin for 0.0031 and you put a sell order up here 0.008. Guys, I made $150,000 in this single trade. Okay, apologize, $15,000. I made 150%. Okay, that's a huge returns, guys. $15,000. Like I mentioned before, you see those candles, down candles here. See, it's all about time. Volume spike here, volume spike here, volume spike here. So software is tracking volume spike plus buyer power. Trade recap today is talk about launching block, chipping, tectonic, XYO. We just made 150%, $15,000. Firebird, guys, same strategy every single day, 24/7. We buy low and sell high. If you like to get those trades in real time, feel free to reach me out, tradecryptotime@gmail.com. Subscribe, guys, subscribe. Let's trade together. Together, we are strong. Shipping, same thing. First, and Monday, January 2nd, I got a volume spike right here. Shared traded the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.0040 and you put a sell order right here. 64%, 0.006. Tectronic, guys, look how many volume spike, volume spike, volume spike. Buyer power. Shares traded the private list yesterday. We bought this coin for 0.0003 and you put a sell order right here. Our order just get filled 75%. Why you put a sell order right here 0.0065? I'll show you right now. Go to a daily resistance. You see down here. This line, it's exponential moving average 48. By the way, guys, when you become a member, I will provide you a free platform like this one, so you don't have to pay TradingView expense. Spend $600 per year. It's gonna be a free platform. You just receive my trades, use a free platform, log in your account, and trade and make money. Plain and simple. TradeCryptoTime@gmail.com. Let me know if you like to join. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.